Now guys, different angle than usual, but this thing is absolutely amazing, okay? So let's turn it on. The speakers in it are really good, and basically the music comes out of this, and then you can just sing karaoke from it. But what's really cool is it also has sound effects, so let me show you.
Okay, so basically I got turned into a minion.
Now we will finish the review like this. Now I don't know how much you can feel through the camera, but the audio quality is absolutely amazing, and honestly Sabinetek is making very good products. I have also tried their little wireless microphone, go check that one out, but the AudioWow is extremely good, and I can actually really recommend it for the price. You can bring it around with the case, it's really good. See you in the next one guys, bye.